I am Nilson Molina, Business Development Manager at Avnan. I'm responsible for promoting company growth, managing accounts, and supporting new product innovation. I also serve as a resource for the engineering team and help to develop internal projects for the company. Before we begin working with a new customer for development or build-to-print job, we initially evaluate the opportunity internally. We need to make sure that our technical capabilities are in line with the product to be developed, and that we'll be able to meet the target cost and timeline. For that, we use a procedure called opportunity qualification, which includes several aspects of development. We also prepare a list of questions that help us better understand the customer requirements and goals. After gathering the information and the opportunities approved, we meet with the customer team, including all relevant stakeholders, to discuss details of the project. After that, we initiate a quotation process. This involves a preliminary design, a BOM creation, drawings, cost of NRE, and some other aspects. The BOM and drawings are delivered to our source team, who will provide costing for prototypes, early production units, test fixtures, and manufacturing processes. Once we receive the quote, we prepare a detailed proposal outlining the costs associated, timeline, terms of payment, terms of delivery. Once approved, we initiate the development. The process can be as quick as 1 to 2 weeks, but it could be longer depending on the complexity of the product. We touch base with the client frequently to provide updates. Normally, the account manager is the main contact, but sometimes other stakeholders are involved whenever is needed. Scope changes are tracked by Avnan's team, and any scope change, whether it's a minor or a major, are evaluated and addressed accordingly. Scope changes may impact product timeline, product cost, and NRE. In case of a major scope change, timeline may be seriously affected, so we need to quickly evaluate the impact and clearly communicate with the customer. Once Avnan and the client agree that the change is possible to be implemented, then we normally resubmit the proposal to reflect these changes and reinitiate the process. In some cases, even with a significant scope change, we can minimize the timeline impact. The project manager is responsible for ensuring that everything runs smoothly and all parties involved are aware of the project status in real time. There are situations that we face, for example, long lead time for some parts. In those cases, we can normally expedite the process by buying parts from qualified distributors. We constantly communicate with the customer and both engineering teams to ensure that we are meeting or exceeding their expectation at every step. Prior to the start of the design, we use a risk assessment matrix that will describe all the identified risks and the mitigation strategies to be adopted. This matrix is part of the statement of work. We share the matrix with the client so they are aware of our process and how we manage and mitigate the risks. When we start the project, we provide an assessment of the specification and product application. Then we propose design changes that are in line with market demands and customer preferences. We work with our customers to understand their market and their product vision. In collaboration, they can rely on us for our expertise and insight in building the right solution for their customers.